Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to set your cTrader application start automatically after a VPS reboot. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. In order to set your cTrader application start automatically after a VPS reboot, you need to perform the following steps. Step 1. Open the Windows Startup folder. Step 2. Create a shortcut of cTrader application in the Startup folder. Let's go through the steps in detail. Step 1. Open the Windows Startup folder. Startup folder is a hidden system folder which you can navigate to in File Explorer. There are two ways to open the Startup folder. The first one is open File Explorer from the taskbar and go to this path. The second one is you can open it using the shell command. You can execute the shell command from the Run dialog box. Here, we will use the shell command method to open the Startup folder. Let's see it in a practical way. We assume that you are logged in into your Forex VPS with an administrator user. We also log in into our Forex VPS with an administrator user. We have used Windows Server 2012 R2 OS as a demo. Click on the Windows Start button located on the taskbar. After then, go to the upper right side of the screen and click on the search option. Once you click on it, a search box will appear. Type Run in the search box. Once you type it, you will see the Run application just below of the search box. Click on it to open it. By clicking on it, one dialog box will be opened at the bottom left side of the screen. Go to Open field and type shell:startup. After then click on the OK button to open it. Once you click on it, one new window will be opened with the name Startup. Here, you will see the application which you want to start automatically once the VPS is started. Step 2. Create a shortcut of cTrader application in the Startup folder. Select the Forex application, of which you want to create a shortcut. Since we want to create a shortcut of cTrader, we will select the Spotware cTrader application. Right-click on it. Select the Copy option and click on it. After then go to the Startup folder. Right-click on the empty space. Select the Paste option and click on it. By clicking on it, cTrader shortcut will be created. That's all. In order to check whether it is working or not, we are going to restart our Forex VPS. The restart process may take a few minutes to complete. Again, we need to log in into the Forex VPS to check whether it is started or not. You can see that cTrader application is automatically started. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to set your cTrader application start automatically after a VPS reboot. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscribe button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.